it's Manda, and I'm coming to you with day 1 of 30 Inks 30 Days. So I just thought I'd give you a little explanation. We had a technical difficulty on day 1, so I have to re-record it, but I'm not going to redo the writing samples. So I am going to tell you kind of what I'm doing this month, give you a little bit of explanation on that, and then show you what I did for day 1 that we didn't get to see live, and then that's going to be the video. So it should be a short one today. Yeah, sorry about that. I got my new phone, and apparently the default settings, I think I might have mentioned this in a different video that I've recorded so many videos right now. I got the new iPhone 12, which is amazing. It was a birthday gift from somebody, so thank you, person who gave that to me. Really appreciate it. Yeah, I had technical difficulties, and I lost the video, because when I uploaded it, everything was overexposed. And so there was another software that I was going to use to try to edit it, but it looked way more involved to try to figure out at like whatever o'clock in the morning, and then I just really don't want to do it right now, so I figured out what I need to do on my phone to fix it. But yeah, apparently the default settings for the video don't work with iMovie, which is like ridiculous because it's the iPhone and it's an Apple computer. So hello, you think that they would work, but apparently there's an update coming, blah 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 blah, but it's not available yet. So anyway, that's that. But that's why you're not going to get to see the live writing sample or the sample pick. But anyway, what I'm going to do for 30 days this month is I have chosen, I was going to choose specifically 30 ink samples from my ink flight samples, but I ended up choosing probably about 50, and then I narrowed it down to like 35, 36. So we will have a few left over at the end of the month, but I just wanted to narrow down the selection because I have like 100 gajillion ink samples from Inkflight, and I wanted to make sure that I get some of the ones that I've been really wanting to use. So I have a whole coloring set up here. I have some old Inkflight samples in here. I have some new Inkflight samples in here. It's just everything's all over the place. Inks I've been like intrigued by, like I had like this Three Oysters mustard since November 2018. Like hello, like hopefully that sample's even good. Some of the newer ones that I've gotten, Pure Pens, some of the new Sailors from October. When I get the November Inkflight samples, they're going to be tossed in here. So just some samples that I really wanted to try that I just haven't gotten around to using. And so I collected all my cards out of my Inkflight sample and separated them. I got that idea from Chris, because over at Chris Signs, because she, you know who Chris is, she usually separates out her stuff for 30 Inks 30 Days so she can like easily reference it and grab it. I think she even puts it in order, but since I'm doing random, I just put them on here by brand name, so it's really easy for me to flip through, because I don't remember which ink flight each ink comes from, and it doesn't say on the vial, so I figured that'd be easiest to do. So I'm going to randomly draw one. I mean, not today, I already did that. So I'm going to randomly draw one, and then we'll do our little writing samples. I'll pick the pen and all that stuff. We'll do our writing samples, and that's what's going to happen. So, yeah, so papers, we have, let me move this. So for our papers this month, you know, I love to use my, you know, I love to use this. This is a 30 ink staple. It doesn't matter what else I do for 30 inks. If I do anything else, I will at least have this. And then I like how Ms. Turtle is showing off paper on like a white paper and a cream paper in her videos. And so I went ahead, and I still have this notebook that I received from Casey that we used during Pen Friend Appreciation Month that has the ivory Tomoe River paper in it. So this is a sneak peek. This is day 1. So yeah, so I thought I'd just go ahead and use that, and then we can kind of see and compare what it looks like. So for day 1's pick, I chose a Pure Pens Cotswolds, and the pen that I chose to use is one of my gift pens that I just got for my birthday, which is a Gin House Centennial. My choices were between these two, and you missed it in the video. It was really funny. I was talking about each pen, and Patches like let out the biggest meow when I had this one. I was talking about this one, so I was like, okay, Patches has thoughts on this, so I chose the one that Patches chose. And then day 2, I will use this. So this Jinhao Centennial was a gift from Pen Friend Nib Nerd. This Wingsung 626. I don't know what the color name is called. I think it's just like pink. But this was a gift from Ms. Turtle over at Pickwick Turtle. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is you can kind of see what I'm doing here. I'm going to do my usual, like, Quick Brown Fox, day 1, November 2020, 30 days. I'm choosing the ink, and then also which ink flight it's from, because I note on my little cards which ink flight it comes from, and then I think that's, like, cool information to people might be interested in. And then the pen. This was a gift from Nib Nerd, so I noted that. Then Quick Brown Fox, we'll do some swirlies and some hashtags, and then we'll do some splats, because it's not a 30 inks 30 days without some splats. And then, I didn't do splats on this one. Ooh, I can do splats on this one. Okay, so that's a thing that I can do live. Yeah, so then on this page again, day 1, November 2020, the ink, which ink flight it came from, the pen that I used. I didn't write that it was a Nib Nerd gift. Like, I don't keep these notebooks together, so it's, like, helpful for me later. Okay, and then do a little squiggly, and this month, because it's November, I'm going to write a thing that I'm grateful for each day. I need kind of an attitude adjustment. It's been a rough few months. It's been a rough last week and a half for sure, so I just want to do something a little positive, even though I probably don't sound like it right now. I'm really tired, and I've just done like a gajillion videos, so I am very excited about 30 days day 1. And we are going to go ahead, and I'm going to set that there so this stays open. You'll see this you'll probably see this video before my 30 inks video. We'll do some splats. Splat, 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 splat. Oops. Too much spots. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Okay. I love when they splat and then separate like that. Although all the ink went over here, so that's why, but... So yeah, so that's super fun times. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh, that was almost so bad. Okay, we'll leave that there. Awesome. So that's 30 inks 30 days. Here's my coloring card. I spilled a drop of water on it while I was doing some other videos. It was in the line of fire, so that's kind of what that looks like. But yeah, so there we go. 30 inks 30 days day 1 in the books, and we'll be back tomorrow with day 2, which you will get to see because I fixed my phone stuff and know what I'm supposed to do. So cool. Awesome. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Love you. Bye.